Good morning, everyone. My name is Raymark Bargado. I discuss about the parts of Microsoft Word. Title bar. Title bar is the top part of a window to display the name of the application or program you are currently using. It also contains buttons such as minimize, maximize, and close, which are used to manage the window of the application. Next, font. Font is a set of characters with a specific style and size that are used to display text on a screen or in print. Next one, status bar. It's a graphical user interface element that is typically located at the bottom of a window or screen. Workspace refers to a virtual or physical area where user can perform tasks, organize information, and interact with digital content. Next one is size. Size refers to the dimension or magnitude of an object, file, storage capacity, resolution, or any other measurable attributes within a digital system. Columns refers to a vertical division or section with a data structure, database, table, spreadsheet, or documents. Next is hyphenation. It's a typographical technique used in writing and typesetting to improve the appearance and readability of text. Next is orientation. Refers to the alignment or positioning of an object, device, or user interface element relative to a reference point. Next is margins. Margin refers to the blank space around the edges of a document, page, or user interface element. Next is ruler. Is a graphical tool or feature that provides visual guidance or measuring the aligning elements within a document, page, or user interface. Next one is help button. It's a user interface element commonly found in software applications, websites, and digital device that provides user within access to assistance, support, or additional information. Next one is zoom control. Enable user to increase or decrease the size or text, image, and other elements on a screen to improve readability, focus on details, or adjust the overall layout. Next is copy. Copy refers to the action of duplicating data, files, text, or any digital content from one location to another. Next is paste. Paste refers to the action of inserting copied or cut data from the clipboard into a new location within a document, file, or application. Next is save. Save refers to the action of preserving changes made to a file, document, or project by storing it in a specific location on a storage device. The last one is cut. Cut refers to the action of removing selected data from a document, file, or location and placing it on the clipboard for transfer to a new location. That's all po, and thank you.